Hey and welcome to this video on how I undersealed some of my Jeep Commander. It applies to any car as the process is the same. I actually did this a while ago, but never got round to doing a video. First, jack up the car and put axle stands underneath to prevent it from falling. You'll be working directly underneath the car, and the wheels may be off. It falls, it'll drop all the way to the floor, so it's important. Also, don't do what I did here. The correct place to put axle stands are either side of the rear differential. Take a hammer and knock off any loose surface rust. It should just fall off, but a metal scraper would be a help. Then use a wire brush to try and get as much as you can. This is hammerite crust. It basically converts rust into an inert compound, effectively killing it. Pour it into a small tub and apply it to all of the rusted areas. It goes on thin, so you don't need that much. When you apply it, the reaction makes the rusted surface turn blue, it then eventually goes black. It's pretty cool stuff. Once the crust has dried and the reaction is complete, take some hammerite waxel or similar. Paint it onto the underside of your car with a brush, making sure it's not too thin as to be ineffective, but not too thick so it never hardens. That really is it. To underseal most of the rear of my car it cost around $60. To get the job done professionally, you'd be looking at $600, $800. Maybe you could buy a light bar with the money you saved. This is the amount of loose rust that I knocked off the rear of my car. In the UK, we have heavily salted roads and this causes mayhem with our cars. Adding underseal provides a barrier and stops further weakening. I hope you enjoyed this video. Drive safe.